and leaders and community and about what the powerful workshop you're going to do.
I remember.
No, it's not working.
It's not working.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, you can speak loud, it's okay.
You can hear me, right? I've got a booming voice.
Yeah.
So, a couple of things. So, I met Harry, God, how long ago was it? About a year ago now. First time I met him. I think this one doesn't work either. Testing.
It's okay.
This is good, this is good.
We can hear you, it's fine.
So, I met Harry about a year ago at an organisation called New Tycoon, if anyone's heard of it. New Tycoon?
Yeah.
No? Well, that was an organisation owned by Success Resources. How many have heard of Success Resources? Yeah, absolutely influential company. This company has transformed over 1 million people's lives a year. Phenomenal. I don't think any company has really had that much of an impact in the personal development world globally. Okay. Anyway, I met Harry at this event. Some total crazy people there, but I was very drawn to Harry. Who else is drawn to Harry's infectious energy? Right, quite a few of you, right? Exactly. And so. Harry has this amazing gift of inspiring others to do great things, regardless of what you're doing, regardless of what your passion is, where you want to go in life. Harry is absolutely, at his core, able to really draw that out. And really, I think that is what's made you very successful and brought him onto many different stages and brought so many others to do great things as well. Mokta, this really wouldn't have existed if it wasn't for Harry and all of the great work he's done. And that has reflected in many of the other guys within this group, certainly myself. I mean, before I met you, Harry, I was doing many things. I was already very successful, but it wasn't, I don't think, as close to my true passion. A year on now, I coach more clients than I can take on. I do multiple seminars, both here in the UK and internationally. I've got another one coming up in February. And and a lot of that really started with small conversations with the right kinds of people. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So everybody's heard of this whole, you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with, like the 5 people you hang out with the most. But how many have heard of that before? Right. That is absolutely true. So what I would encourage you to do is to go out and find those 5 people. Those 5 people that both inspire you to go and do what you actually want in life, but also are also on that journey or already have achieved what it is that you want to do in life. It is so much easier that way. You don't want to take the lonely route, right? I have a lot of people around me that are doing very similar things to me, are already very successful in what it is that I do and what I'm passionate about, and I have fun along the process, and I don't think I did that, for certain times of my life, right? So I'll leave you with that, okay? All I would say is, no matter where you are, no matter what you think about today's event, what your learnings were, whatever it is that it's going through your mind and where your next step is, I encourage you, I inspire you to find those right people and hold on to them. Okay, with that, thank you very much.
Okay.